Basta tingin ka sa akin.
Thank you so much. Baby, bigay ka lang ng birthday message kay Baby Aquina. Doyo! Gift lang, sir. My prize. Ay, kuya!
Happy birthday.
Ano pa? Bakit?
Wish mo, wish.
Wish mo. Bakit? Ewan ko bakit siya.
Baby wish. Ay, baby wish. Baby wish.
Lalaki talaga yun.
Hindi ako maisip. Mag-aaral ako ng buti.
It's your birthday, let's have fun. Lots of cake for everyone. Balloons and candles, games to play. We will laugh and sing all day. Happy birthday, hip hooray. Happy birthday, let's all say. Happy birthday, you're the star. Happy birthday, here you are. Friends and family all around, singing songs, what a joyful sound. Presents wrapped with bows so bright. We'll have fun from day and night. Happy birthday, hip hooray. Happy birthday, let's all say. Happy birthday, you're the star. Happy birthday, here you are. Blow the candles, make a wish. Birthday cheer and a birthday kiss. Party hats and games to play. Celebrating your special day. Happy birthday, hip hooray. Happy birthday, let's all say. Happy birthday, you're the star.
A few moments later.
Birthday joke or birthday wish?
Joke na lang. Ano?
Sirena ka ba?
Sinong famous na tao ang mataas ng narating?
Huh?
Sino? Hala, ulit! Sinong famous na tao ang mataas ng narating?
Sino?
MBC Jimmy Pondo. Meron pa! Eh, yung mas mataas yung narating.
Sino?
MBC Ray Navit. Natawa ba kayo sa joke ni ate?
Hindi.
Alam mo kung di sila natawa tayo.
Wala ka premyo, di nakakatawa.
Wala nang premyo. Sure joke. Baka may joke sila dyan.
Pareho.
Ayan, yan ang gusto ko. Okay. Ano ba ako na joke or birthday wish?
Okay. Sana. Lumay ka, huwag ka tulad ng mama mo. Ayun lang, happy birthday. Happy siya, Tori. At sana alam mo yung sinasabi ko. Kahit baby ka pa. Ay, yun lang. Yun na rin po.
Yun na yung joke.